Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the track rod end on a F10, F11, F01, F02, 7 series. So we're going to cover 5 series, 7 series. It's going to be exactly the same process. The reason I'm doing this is there are some cracks on the actual rubber on the track rod end. When I take it off you'll see it better because it's a little bit hidden here, but it is fully cracked, and that means it will get moisture and salt from the road from winter driving, and it will ruin completely the ball joint. So we're going to replace both track rod ends, and yeah, I'm gonna clean up the threads. I've done this on this side already. I'm gonna spray some WD-40 or any penetrating fluid that you have. You can use anything that does the job, and after this we're gonna mark and loosen the track rod end and take it off. So let's get started. I'm going to use a 23mm spanner on this section here. It's a bit tight because of the dirt, but it will go in, which is good. Sometimes you have better grip. Gosh, this is really tight. I'm gonna install a long pipe over the spanner. I'll try it that way. And you can see this is now moving as it should. I'm gonna run through the threads back and forth a few times, and we're doing all this so we can get the tracking as close as possible. Now there's a little bush here which I will push out, and then we're gonna loosen the knot here and take the ball joint off. I'm showing you here definitely worst case scenario. This was so badly rusted. It was like welded, so I had to cut it so many times in order to loosen it. This was a bit of a nightmare, but we've replaced it and we've set the tracking exactly where it was earlier. It's not gonna cause any issues by the time he gets to the wheel alignment shop. I managed to remove the left one without major issues. This one, the rubber bush has totally collapsed, and there was a little hole in the rubber as well, which has allowed water and dirt to get in and ruin this ball joint. So we're gonna install the new one, and I want to show you the part number for the left hand side. So it's 39675. So hopefully you enjoy this one. If you do like it, hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and I'll see you in the next one.